Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, as you all know, there is a smart lockdown due to smog. So you all should have to wear the mask and don't go outside without your parents' permission. Students, today I am here to deliver this video lesson so that आपका time waste ना हो और आप घर बैठ के study के साथ engage रहें. And so let's start our today's lesson, which is C. Okay, speak loudly. C. It's a C. C. K. Make a C with your hands. C. K. C. K. And tell me what is the sound of C? It's K. C. K. C. K. Okay, speak loudly, all of you. C. K. C. K. What is the sound of C? It's K. 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 So let's read the C poster. Are you ready? Yay! So we are going to read the poster. Okay, a cat is sitting on the mat. Wow! Look at the poster. There is a cat. A cat is sitting on the mat. Very good. A cat is sitting on the mat. Oh my God! What is the starting sound of cat? It's a K. Very good. What is the starting sound of cat? K. K. Cat. And where is cat sitting? Yes, cat is sitting on the mat. Very good. There is a pink candle. Okay. We have to find out the pink candle in the poster. Find out the pink candle. Where is the pink candle? Here. Here. No. Yeah. Okay. Here is the pink candle. And what is the starting sound of candle? Yes, it's a K. Candle. So now we have two vocabulary words. Cat and candle. Starting with K. Cat. Candle. Okay. And a clock on the wall. Wait. What is the starting sound of clock? Yes, it's a K. And the computer is switched on. Here is the computer and computer is switched on. Computer is switched on. And computer's beginning sound is also K. So we have a lot of vocabulary words starting with K. So let's read it with me. K. Cat. K is for cat. K. Candle. K. Candle. K. Clock. K. Clock. And the last one is K. Computer. Very good. Computer. Students, now I have colorful flashcards for you. Starting with the C cup. Ta-da! Yes. What is this? Car. Very good. What is this? Car. And what is the beginning sound of car? Yes. It's a C. C. Car. Very good. What is this? What is this? Yes, it's a cake. It's a cake. And what is the starting sound of cake? Very good. K. K is for car. K is for cake. And what is this? Yes, it's a clock. It's a clock. Okay, now let's read it with me. K is for car. Very good. K is for cake. K is for clock. Very good. Now we have flashcards. Ta-da! Yes. Flashcard of K. Very good. Flashcard of K. Okay. Let's trace a finger like this. Very good. K is for cat. Yes. K is for candle. And K is for clock. And last one is K is for computer. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay, students, let's recall our today's letter. And our today's letter is C. Make a C with your hands. Very good. C, K. C, K. What is the sound of C? Yes, it's a K. C, K. Okay, let's read the vocabulary words again. K is for car. K is for cake. K is for clock. K is for cat. K is for computer. K is for candle. Very good. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please watch the video and there is a home task for all of you. the vocabulary in your surroundings. Okay, Allah Hafiz.